Thing say yo, the bike are tough. Look on this. Bad.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Leverage. Yo, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, so your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And today, you don't know from the scene in the description, this is a part few of Fort Lauderdale Beach. And right now, we're at the southern part from what we did the last time. Last time we did like, I don't know if you can see building them, we did like up there so. And now, we're there like south of that part. So right now we just have show on how the other part look at this part. But we're doing some more come like a playground type of thing, because the people them play volleyball and thing right there so. And them have basketball. So all one shit them enough I can see. Yeah. Up here some more like to be like the part where where them play, you know? Play sports and things and can entertain the beach down and so. Yeah man, so you know the leverage. Fort Lauderdale Beach, the southern part, you know? Yeah. You know the leverage. People them play basketball like. Yeah, YouTube, Leverage Boss TV. Yeah, I'm just starting out. Yeah. Yeah, that's a leverage by the beach, no? Yo. Fort Lauderdale Beach, that's a leverage. So guys, we just have to take a walk again, you know what thing go? Yeah. Southern side. See the Fort Lauderdale Beach south. South side, we walk back up north now. the weather kinda nice. You don't know, say, at Christmas time. So you don't know the weather stay winter time, I must say, not Christmas time. But you know the thing go. Time windy worse when they're near the beach, so you don't know it go already. Mad there, watch it. Mad park right there, so. Just to take a stroll, you know. People crazy, you know, people come out to record. Yeah, that is it. Yes, I don't know. There on a weekend, today a weekend, so I don't know, just take a stroll. That's how we do it, you know. Just to do and give you a part few of it, because you know it already. No, I go already. I want to show the other side of Fort Lauderdale Beach. And the south side where I walk forward from. Yeah, look on the place. The Courtyard Marriott right there, so. All of them. Yeah, leveragation, you know, we get back to, you know, when we reach back which bad people them car right there, so the people them not really walk right there, so, you know. Yeah, leveragation, so we reach there, so we have some bar and clothes store, some basically store breakfast, but 411 South Bar and Grill and Style and them place there. Yeah. I don't know what them have going over there, so they have one bag of stall that sell stuff. But we just want to avoid the music. We just walk over the side here. But yeah. Fort Lauderdale Beach. We're gonna walk back over there. So. Install them over there, so different clothes, the ears ring and all the time, but most of them are going out with them. Yeah man, leverage nation. So alright there, so the last part of them, the part here we make the U-turn. If you watch the last previous video, we make the U-turn from right there, so Las Olas Boulevard. So them have one bag of party and thing are going right there, so come like them party, elbow room like them party 24/7 there, so yeah, elbow room, see that? We have a whole heap of liquor store and pizza place and ice cream place over there, so avoid the music, so I walk wide, but yeah man, the people out drink beer right through, man. How this? See it there? Boss, I take picture and wife there. And then people that take Christmas serious. Yeah, so reach back where we reach last part. People wash off this so when they go. Yeah, pipe stand. Yeah. People are going to have more liquor. So, yeah. Reach back right there, so. So, yeah, right there, so if you know on the car, watch back the other previous Fort Lauderdale video before this one. Yeah. People in my party right show. Time of them right. Ben and Jerry's. Yeah, the music. Yeah, cut out the music right so I'm just showing the while me I walk because yeah, you know the music thing that go already. Every nation, I don't know how they're freezing a car, the water is most cool, you know. Huh. Walk closer to the water, my goodness. Windy people. Yeah, you can look all the way down there, so ship and move out. So we are far from all the way down there, so a good little water, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Them places are nice little spot for come and come drink at night time, nightlife and them thing there. Yeah, man. Nightlife, we consume some food and them thing there, you know. And do a little partying, but the party spot where I want to show you, nightlife for Las Olas. You know, soon see the part there. Yeah, man. point where I step out and show you how go on in Las Olas, you know. Right, that's actually named Fort Lauderdale Las Olas. And like the intersection we passed earlier, which found the people in that part of intersection there go east, I'll go west. Yeah, that leads straight in Las Olas downtown where the people them go party. They have one section where they eat food and one section where they party at night time. That's a party life, you know. But yeah, we are showing one of them here. You know, Leverage Nation. Part of the vlog, slowly but surely, you know. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. You know, make thing go up now. When the thing go up, man, you share it to a friend, man. You see me? You don't know, say, I want to take on the world and them something that you know. Like how I say, if you're looking at an early video, Costa Rica video, yeah, just go some place and show them, man, and do some food review on them thing, them, man, you know. You know, a thing go already. Just like it up and share to a friend and family, man, and on all on the books, them, man, on social media, man, and everything, you know. Yeah, that is it. Reach back right there, so. Yeah, we walked right there last time. We just fall from south for sure, no, but yeah, this is supposed to be like we started from a longer video. People, the things are firing easy. Whatever I show them, but yeah, I see that. How to say, man, make him bed. Yeah, man, firing easy. Some people just say, yo, forget about this here, man. Can't afford rent. So I go on. All on the things say, yo, the bike are tough. Look on this. Bad. Yeah, man. That one, that's tough. By Curtis Street, but still park over there, so you know. Yeah, but we're just going to vibe right there, so I go and see where I go on. Yeah, I go and sit down right, so them bus all sit down and thing, you see me? Yeah, man, Leverage Nation, and I don't know anything going on. Just the vibe we are all, man, and thing, man. We're not too in the gimmicks thing, you know, but you don't know, so have fun with the thing and just show me the place and show you daily life and all them things there. Who know, maybe I soon travel to and just show and another travel back, who know. Maybe back to Jamaica. Never know, you know, anything possible. Just want the people them support the channel and do the right thing. And then just comment and tell me what you want to see. When the channel grow, any place where you want to see or anything, just go to Bams and do it. Yeah, man. That's a leverage. Alright. Just sit down right there so I know what you are going. Yeah, man. Nice shot there. And move. See our Leverage Nation. Tired this is a good little walk, you know. You don't know a good little thing to keep you fit too. You don't know, say the vlogger help you keep you fit and we are the right thing and I show you the ear of them. You know the thing? Yeah, man, watch mama. You go, man, they have post your camera, people over there so take our picture. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man, Leverage Nation. Take a small break. We're linking about 1 second. Yeah, I'm on Leverage Nation right now. We just night catch up on we again, so we just call it. We're gonna have more past to it. We never really show it from the south still, you know? From the south part, so right now we're back in the mall area. We have all of the things them see it at the beach place. Yeah. So after that we are end it off, you know. And do remember, write yourself for walk. And do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. That's a leverage. You know what I think? Leverage, leverage, leverage. We'll show you how we are though. Garage back, you know. Yeah, man, Leverage Nation. Until next time, remember, you know your leverage.